Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Monkey Technology. I'm Monkey King Max here. This is our wall sticker factory. Let me show you how to make fashionable wall stickers. This is PVC film. It is the main material of our wall stickers. Next, we put PVC film into lamination machine. Then we use slitting machine. This is the last step, cutting machine. Finally, we pack the finished products. Welcome to visit our factory in Shaoxing, China. 7 Monkey Technology. Thank you for watching.